In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to start a short form content agency that could potentially earn you tens of thousands of dollars per month in just 90 days. I'll guide you from A, finding a niche, to Z, showing you how to sign clients and fulfill clients. And guess what? I just won't be serving all the information you need in this video. I'm also going to give you all the tools you need completely for free. And no, I have absolutely nothing to sell you at the end of this video. I'm going to give you the exact funnel I used, the exact sales script I use, outreach scripts, and basically just everything that you'll need in order to sign your first client ever. Now you're wondering, is this actually worth your time? Or does this actually even work? Well, here's David at 18 years old who scaled from $0 to $20,000 per month in just 90 days using this exact framework. And Vlad, who's a 17-year-old out of Gville, Romania, started off as an editor and scaling to 10K per month in just 120 days. So I think you get the point by now. What I'm going to teach you in this video, it works. So wake your ass up, grab a pen and paper, and let's get into the video. So there's 5 main parts that you'll need to focus in order to start and scale a content agency or really just any online business. There's your offer. Who are you going to target and what are you going to do for them? There's attention on the offer. How are you going to generate attention? How are you going to generate leads on your offer? How are people going to find out about you? Then there's converting that attention. How are you going to turn a complete stranger into somebody who's going to pay you thousands of dollars? There's client success. How are you going to fulfill these clients? How are you going to get clients results? And then last but not least, there's client retention. How are you going to retain these clients for longer than 2 or 3 months? I'm going to cover each part in deep detail so you are 100% clear on what your next steps should be. So we're going to go over the 3 steps. I know I talked about 4, right? There's your offer, the attention, conversion, client success, and client retention, but I'm going to simplify it into 3 things: foundations, getting your clients, and fulfillment. If you guys are following me on Instagram, you know that I am starting up a brand new content agency. And basically, this is going to be my step-by-step plan on how I'm going to scale that content agency to really however I can really scale it to in the next 60 to 90 days. This is going to be my exact game plan that I'm literally going to give to you guys for free. I already gave my Inner Circle, my program, a look into this, but now I'm going to give it to you guys. So make sure to pay attention. So now we have the foundations. Let's start off with the foundations, which is basically your offer. We're going to go over choosing niche, your ideal avatar, ICP, service delivery mechanism, and the agency name. So stay tuned for the agency name. And I want you to guess what that is, right? Like, if you can right now, comment what the actual name of the content agency is going to be. If you guess it right, you're going to get nothing. Just good job. So let's go into the niche. Who am I going to be servicing? And this is how you're going to figure out your niche. The niche that I'm going to be covering is I'm going to be helping coaches, consultants, and service providers who are selling something online, but specifically real estate coaches, SMMA coaches, and e-com coaches. They need to be posting content already and have an offer. They just need more attention and somebody to take care of the content for them. So how can you guys figure out who you should be offering? There's a few questions that we need to ask. One is, what do you have experience in? Right? Do you have experience in fitness industry? Do you have experience in real estate? Do you have experience in e-com? What do you have experience and what do you understand the most? That is the first question that you're going to have to ask. The second question is, do the people, the industry that you understand most, do they actually need your service? For example, let's say you have a lot of experience in like the waste management industry. They're probably not going to need a lot of content, right? So it's probably not going to be a good niche for you to go after. So you figure out, who do you have more experience in? And then you have to figure out, do they actually need my help? And the last thing is, can they actually afford my services? I have experience in the real estate niche. I have experience in the SMMA space because that's what I do. And I have experience in the e-com space because that's what I used to do when I was like a teenager. Can all 3 of those categories, do they all need my services? Absolutely. Can they all afford my services? Absolutely. Okay, so that checks off the mark. So that's going to be the niche I'm going to be going after. My ideal avatar, my ICP, ideal client profile. And this is really getting to the specifics of who it is that you're trying to go after. Who is it that you're trying to attract? I'm trying to attract people who are already selling something online. I don't want to teach people how to sell something. All I want to do is help people who already have an offer and absolutely help them scale with my content systems, which we'll get into, like what my offer is. So they need to be already posting content. They need to be running an online business of some sort. Ideally, what they need is they just need better content. They need somebody to handle it for them. They need to generate more attention and they need to help them convert that attention. That is going to be the person. Somebody who already has a proven offer. They just need my help to get more eyes on their offer. Service delivery. How am I going to be doing this? So what I'm going to do for them is I'm going to handle their content. Editing for them. Well, not me, my team. Handling the ideation process and the strategy. So I'll be servicing any packages from 10 to 30 videos per month. My main package is probably going to be 20 videos per month though. And that's going to be done for you. These are going to be done for you. I am potentially also going to offer Riverside shooting if needed. So basically, if you don't know what Riverside is, it's just like Zoom. But the problem with Zoom is once you record the actual video of it, the quality is dog water. But in Riverside, it records these virtual podcasts, these virtual meetings in full 4K. So what I'm going to do is if people actually need it, I will hop on a 1-hour Riverside call with them with all of the video ideas. I'll be asking them the questions so they can hit me with the responses so we can create the videos that we need to create. You can probably generate anywhere from 10 to 20 videos in that 1-hour sesh. So it's very efficient. If they want that, that's going to be an extra $500 a month for a 1-hour shoot because that's going to generate a lot of videos. But I'm also going to consult them on how to implement my acquisition system because my own program is doing 50K. And that includes IG ads, many chat sequences, lead magnets to capture the emails, and just honestly just generating more leads with the content systems with IG. So basically, we have the done for you, which is like this aspect of it. And then we have the done with you, and where it's pretty much just going to be consulting one-on-one. I already have everything laid out. It's literally just copy and paste for these people. And my prices are going to be anywhere from $25 to $30, $3,500 for the 20 video package. If they want everything in full, probably do like $5, $6K. Right now, I just want to get some people through the door, so I'll probably start off with the 2,500 package, and then once I close like 2 or 3 people, I'll bump it up to 3,500. So that's my service delivery. My mechanism, how am I actually gonna get the results? I pretty much already talked about it, but it's gonna be Instagram organic plus the ads. It's gonna be my personal acquisition system, which is gonna include social funnel, organic, the comment funnel, which is like, hey, comment the word. By the way, I made a 100-page guide showing you how you can scale your content agency. If you want it, just click the link down below and you can download it. It's gonna include ManyChat and lead magnets. So that's my acquisition channel. Anywhere from top of funnel, middle of funnel, bottom of funnel, just straight up helping these people scale with my content systems. And it's pretty much going to be all done for you. Just like the ManyChat stuff, they'll copy and paste. Yeah, it's really mainly done for you. So my agency name, what we all came here for. I want you guys to guess what it is. I'm going to give you 5 seconds. 2, 1. All right. If you guessed it right, it's going to be Content Launchers. My agency name is called Content Launchers because we're absolutely going to launch, just straight up launch pad these people with our content systems. Just absolutely scale their coaching programs. Beautiful. Now we have the proper foundations. We have the niche, our ICP, our service delivery, our mechanism, and the agency name. Now, these are things that you need to figure out for yourself. What are you going to offer? The mechanism, your name, your ICP, choosing niche. I break down all this more in that 100-page guide that I mentioned earlier, so make sure to check that out. Now, getting clients. How am I going to be generating clients? I'm going to be doing something called Conquer Cold Outreach, which is essentially precision cold outreach. And basically what this is going to be 5 to 10 personal, hyper-personalized videos a day. So I'm going to be trying to sending 200 to 300 hyper-personalized videos per month. And basically what it's going to include a few things. And it's going to include me shooting a personalized video. It's going to include a personalized custom thumbnail. It's also going to include just like a pitch, like an offer. So here's the thing where a lot of people go wrong with outreach. Where people go wrong is they just send generic BS. They spray and pray, and it's just a commoditized offer that they're actually doing. So how can you actually make cold outreach work? Even though I'm not a fan of it, but with cold outreach, it's free, right? I'm not a fan of it, but it's free, especially if you have a brand new offer. You don't have money to spend on ads or anything. It doesn't really make sense to spend money on ads if you've never even sold anything before, because you need to validate your offer. You need to make sure you know how to sell it before you spend money on something, right? So how can you make cold outreach work? Number 1, post content, build your personal brand. I have so many people that ask me, hey man, I want to scale a content agency, but I don't want to show my face. There is a way around it, and the way around that is by doing like theme pages. It's also by doing like these animation channels, like Matt Gray does. For example, I have like a few people in my actual program who do that, but they still show their face somewhat. And here's the thing, guys. It's like, if you're not willing to show your face, like, I don't know what to tell you. That's literally what makes it easy, making it personalized. So posting content, personal brand, optimizing your IG for conversions, which is basically just making your personal brand look good, and being super personalized with your outreach. And also, whenever you're sending cold outreach, you don't want to sell your offer. You want to sell them the meeting. You don't want to directly sell them on the actual offer. You just want to get them on a call. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be offering a free audit and a free video edit just so I can get them on the call. And then once I actually get them on the call, then that's when you can begin somewhat with your sales process. The thing is, a lot of you guys will just pitch everything right away and you're asking why you're broke. Pitch the call. Offer something of free of value so you can get them on the call first, give them that value, and then begin the sales process. Because once you have them on a call, then that's when you can begin to sell them. But this is going to be the video that I'm going to be sending. Yo, Timmy, what's up, man? Something about their name, something about their page, super personalized. Dude, to get straight into it, I've helped a lot of people like you scale their personal brands and offer with my content systems. I know I can do the same for you. So I'd love to offer you a free edit and an audit. If you're interested, let's set up a call. Peace. I'm going to send them that video with my camera, a very professional video. And I'm also going to create a thumbnail with their name on it. And I'm going to have all of this systemized. But think about this. If you get a DM with a beautiful thumbnail, your name's on it, you click it, and it's a very nice video, think about that than just sending like a generic ass cold DM. Which one's going to work better? Cool. So that's how I'm going to be doing that. So yeah, the lead generation is going to implement a two-way system, the cold outreach, and just overall my personal brand on Course of Growth. I'm using the same page on Course of Growth. I'm just going to be sending cold outreach. And how am I going to be booking calls? I'm going to offer something for free to sell the call, the free video edit, and the audit. I'm going to be keeping track of conversions with my CRM. I'm going to be following up and booking calls in the DMs, and I'm also going to have my Calendly and my pre-sales process. Again, if you want all of these things, it's going to be in the 100-page guide. But essentially, it's just Calendly. My tracker is just a simple spreadsheet to making sure that I'm actually hitting my KPIs. An example of my spreadsheet, I can talk about it really quick, is just the Instagram name. When I sent the first message, did they answer? And then the follow-up message. Because if they didn't answer, we need to follow up with them twice, 3 times. And we want to record that information to make sure everything is organized. Cool. Also, if you have a question, how am I going to be finding these people? How am I going to be finding the people to actually DM? I'm going to go on Fiverr and I'm going to buy a list of Instagram usernames that somebody can generate for you because I don't have time to look for these people. You can just go on Fiverr, spend like $100, get like 300 Instagram usernames based off your niche. Now, how am I going to be closing clients? So I'm going to be implementing a 2-call close system. Again, the first one, which is you want to sell the demo call. And this demo call is essentially going to be a very like discovery call. You're just going to ask them a lot of questions, offer a lot of value. And then right there, you're not going to pitch them right away because they still don't have much trust with you. You want to sell the second call. Your job on that first demo call is to sell a second call. It's not to sell your offer right away. It's to sell a second call. Because on the second call, then that's where you're going to sell them. You want to make sure that you're also booking that second call within 3 days. As soon as possible. But pretty much on that sales call is where you're going to review a lot of the same information that you talked about in the sales call and the first call, the demo call. You're going to pitch your offer, handle objections, and close just like a generic sales call. So that's how I'm going to be closing clients. Now for fulfillment, all I need to have in place is my MVP, which is my minimal viable product. And it's essentially the essentials that you need in order to fulfill, like the bare minimums, right? So what do you need in order to fulfill somebody? You need an onboarding process, you need forms, and you need contracts. I already have that set. You need a way to communicate, Slack. You need editors ready to edit, good to go. You need Monday boards. Monday boards is essentially your project management. I think it's called like Kanban or something, but it's essentially like an assembly line of where the video is currently at. It's like ready to edit, edited, revisions. It's just like an assembly line. And then Google Drive, where obviously my clients are going to be editing it and they're also going to be downloading the videos. So if you have those things set in stone, you're ready to scale, you're ready to get to 10K per month minimum, 20K per month even. Don't think you need everything in place. Those are going to be the things that you need in order. Also Zapier. But Zapier is like your onboarding process. And the forms are very basic, just like what do you need, who are your competitors, what's your goals, ba, 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 ba. Now the onboarding process, what is the onboarding process going to look like? It's going to be the same as my Conquer Acquisitions one, which is my program. But essentially, I need to collect payments on the call. That is the only way I close people. I collect payments on the call. I invite them into Slack right on the call. They go through my onboarding forms. They sign the contract, and they have to do a few things before they actually book the call. And they have to do a few things before they book the game plan call. And essentially what that game plan call is going to be our one-on-one call where we're going to go over a lot of things. So what do they have to do in order to book that call? It's essentially they have to fill out these forms, or it's an exercise. So it's essentially an exercise that I call brand pillars plus. That's how we're going to be able to generate all of the ideas for them. And that's how we're really going to be able to get their story out of them. The things that actually matter in order to build a personal brand, right? your story, your unique value propositions, your personal interest, all of these things, your expertise. We're going to pull everything out of them before we have the game plan call, because I need that information in order to be able to give them a strategy and give them ideas. If you want access to that, you can access that on my free group, my free school group, which is called Content Launchpad. I have all the exercises on there as well. So this is going to be the actual game plan call. And what we're going to do in the actual game plan call is we're going to figure out their goal and offer, and we're going to establish our ICP, and then we're going to develop a content strategy. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to audit their offer. Hey, like, who are you trying to go after? What outcome are you providing? What's your mechanism? What's your price points? What's your current marketing strategy? And I'm going to adjust the offer if I need to make it better, but not really. And I'm also going to establish their ICP, which is just like, who are they trying to go after? Who is their ideal client? Like, how much are they making? Like, really get nitty gritty onto like, who is the person that you're actually trying to attract with your content? That's part of the game plan call. And then also we're going to develop a content strategy on the actual game plan call. But pretty much what the content strategy is going to be is we're going to follow a content cadence of posting 5 times a week. We're going to have them shoot the content ideas that we create. We're going to have 3 very targeted content videos towards the offer. So very targeted videos, like pretty much just targeting the ideal client. And then we're going to have 2 brand pillars / story videos, which is pretty much just like personal videos, viral videos, things that don't necessarily like correlate to our exact offer. We're also going to have 1 shoot a month on Riverside for extra content if needed. We're also going to follow a cadence of 1 to 2 stories a day, documenting their day and providing value. 1 out of the 3 targeted videos will be a comment funnel, which basically means is like, I'm sure you've seen those videos where it's like, hey, comment down below for a free lead magnet. So we're going to do that a minimum of once a week. So we're going to have a total of 4 of those a month, because that's how we're going to generate the emails. That's how we're going to book the calls. And that's just how we're going to get the leads. And then top of funnel ads for the social funnel when we want to begin running ads. That is the content strategy. Having editors and team ready. So right now I'm just going to have 2 main editors, and my budget will probably be like $20 a video. My 2 editors will be able to handle probably 4 clients. They can definitely handle more. But for right now, like I'm trying to figure out how can I land my next 4 clients with my brand new agency as fast as possible. I'm going to have my QC ready, which is my quality control person. His name is Edward. I'm going to have Monday boards ready to go. And I'm going to have somebody to chop up the videos on Riverside, but potentially I can replace that with AI. I do have to figure that process out. And then it's just time to get them results. And then once you collect case studies, you just market those case studies with your lead generation process with the personal branding. And that's exactly how you are going to scale your content agency, guys. So if you've watched until this part of the video, you now have a clear plan of how you can scale your agency to 10K a month in the next 60 to 90 days. And if you think that 3 to 6 months is a lot of time and you want to speed up that process of making your first 10K per month, click the link down below and buy my $4,000 course. I'm just joking. I don't have a course to sell. Peace.